Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime and make it jiggly. So today in this video, I'm not putting my face in the video, sorry if you wanted my face in the video. So first grab a bowl. So what you'll need is a bowl, a spoon, some water, some glue, and color if you want. I'm just making white and I'm using glitter too. So first what you want, don't forget your activator. So first what you want to do is open your glue. Add as much slime, as much in there as you want, as much slime. Now I'm not making a big batch, so I'm not adding that much. Now next, you want to get your water and add the water. Now the more water you add, then it'll be less sticky. So then you just mix it. So just mix it up like you do to normal slimes. Now I know it looks just like water, but it'll turn out as slime, and I swear and promise. So right now it just looks like a watery milk or something. It doesn't even look close to slime. So next what I'm going to do is add blue glitter. Now I'm adding a lot because I love glitter. Now just mix your glitter in if you added any. No! Mix all your glitter in there. Now I mixed mine in, and then what you want to do next is grab your activator, grab a tiny cup, or if you have any tiny cups, fill it up a little bit, that much. Now keep on mixing and slowly add it. Starting to form in the slime. Right now my brother is making a video too, if you hear him out there. Now just start mixing fast once you get your slime. Now the water made it jiggly. And guys, if you notice, there's this guy named Darkness. He is bullying me and he's trying to threaten me. So, you guys out there, please block him. His name is Darkness and he is being mean to me. He said swearing to me. But it would be really awesome if you guys block that guy for me and my brother, so then we can all be safe. Even you guys. You guys would be safe too. My glitter slime. So very, very glittery. Like so glittery, it's not even white anymore. Okay. When you're done with your slime, grab a container, which I'm getting this off the spoon, so I'm not talking that much. But I'm gonna grab one of my slime containers, and I'm just gonna set my slime in there, grab a lid, and put it on. Now, I'm gonna show you clips of all my slimes that I made. So when you're done with that, just put all your stuff away, which is what I'm doing. Now I'm going to show you what my messy bowl looks like. A bunch of glitter, like lots of glitter. Now once you're done, put all your stuff away. Now I'm gonna grab all my slimes. Let me get all my, oh my god, they're dropping. So here's one. Here's two, here's three. 4, 5, 6, no wait, 6, 7. So let's start off with the one we just made. Super nice. Very cool. So that is my glittery slime. It's all blue. Now this is the glow-in-the-dark one. They aren't that stretchy, but they're really, really nice. Now let's see if it glows in the dark. Come with me, guys. See if this glows in the dark. Hey, Gavin.
Send hate to darkness.
I already told them to block him. Let's see if this goes in the dark. Are you guys ready? Not glowing that much. Hasn't really been the light, but worth a try. Now, back to all the slimes. So here's a glow in the dark one. It's like a pinkish purple color. I'll leave my Roblox name down in the description below so you guys can follow me. And by the way, we are giving out all these slimes I made. I'm going to be giving out to some lucky winners. I have 5. Yeah, I got 5 of them. These 2 are just mine. So I showed you guys that one. These one. Now this is like a mint green one. It's like a mint green. Do some poking clips. Now, I'm really sorry that in my other videos, I did not have a strong voice, and I think that's what I have to work on. So nice and pokey. These slimes are very good to poke. They're like the best poking ones. There's that one. Next one is this neon dark green one that I made last night. I feel like if I mix all of these, it would make like a unicorn slime, but I'm not because I'm giving them away. Now this one is one of my favorite ones because it's nice and smooth. It has a really nice poking sound and just all of that. Now the next one I'm going to be showing you guys is the one I also made last night. It's like a unicorn teal blue color. Now first I have to put this away, which I'm going to do it off of camera. I'm sorry, but I just have to. So guys, I put that one away. Now the next one I'm going to be showing you is this teal light blue unicorn slime.